Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure both devices are ready. Charge the Insta360 remote and camera, then power them on. Once done, put the camera into its Bluetooth or remote pairing settings so it can discover accessories. Next, press and hold the remote's power or pair button until its LED begins flashing. This signals pairing mode. You do this to create a clean handshake window, without the camera in pairing mode and a flashing remote LED. They won't see each other. Once the remote LED is flashing, go to the camera's pairing menu and choose Add Remote or Pair Accessory. You'll see a list of nearby devices. Select the remote's name to initiate the connection. The camera and remote exchange keys, so keep them close and avoid touching buttons. Movement interrupts the process. If the camera shows a countdown or progress bar, let it finish. This step links the remote's commands to your camera firmware, so buttons map correctly, and you finish by checking for a solid LED on the remote or an on-screen confirmation on the camera, which means pairing succeeded. Test a shutter press and zoom command if available. If pairing fails, power cycle both devices and immediately repeat the pairing routine within 10 seconds so discovery windows overlap. Make sure firmware is current, because mismatched firmware can block connections. If problems persist, update firmware or perform a factory reset as a last resort to clear stale pairing records.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.